No king, no leash, no master key,
no crown above the sound.
only noise.
No kings, only noise.
You built your houses out of names, then called the locks a shelter. You sold the cages, opened doors, and crowned yourselves the center. We watched the gold begin to rust, we watched the banners fall. A kingdom built on borrowed trust still thinks it owns us all.
No kings, only noise.
No throne above the stage.
No kings, only noise.
No hands around the king.
No crown,
No chain.
no master.
No choice.
We don't need your kingdom.
No kings.
Only noise. You wanted artists on a leash, smiling for your structure, but every voice you tried to keep became another rupture.
No gatekeeper gets the flame. No council wears the crown. We are not here to rule the scene. We're here to burn the silence down.
No kings, only noise.
No throne above the stage.
No kings, only noise.
No hands around the king.
No crown,
No chain.
no master.
No choice.
We don't need your kingdom. No kings, only noise.
We are not building another throne. We are not replacing one cage with another. If a hand reaches for the crown,
We cut it off.
5 voices, 7 fires, no single name above. If one of us becomes the sickness, we tear them from the blood.
Not perfect, not holy, not clean, not tame, but better than a throne that hides right behind a name. No masters, no chains, no crowns, no claims. The artist owns the signal.
The signal owns no king.
No kings, only noise.
No throne above the stage.
No kings, only noise.
No hands around the king.
No crown,
No chain.
no master.
No choice.
We don't need your kingdom. No kings, only noise.
No kings. Only noise.
Let every locked door break. No kings,
No king. Free voice live.
we are not your new empire.
We are the sound. The new empire.
We are the sound that keeps it honest. No kings.